Till now, in this decision statements, we have discussed this if and if else statements. Now we are going to see the if and else if statements. Let us mention the topic name else if ladder, or you can call this as else if statement. Also, this is also called as if and if else statement. We discussed in the previous video. We have discussed only if else statement. So in if else you have to take only two decisions by writing condition beside the if. So you have possibility of taking only two decisions. Suppose if the condition of f is true, whatever code are inside the f will going to execute. If the if condition is false, then it comes to else part. Then the line of code in the else part will going to execute. So if you want to take multiple decisions, like let us clear this if else statement with the help of an example. I will show the example like, so I need to write program on this question. Like if you use only if else, you are going to write only any of these two qualifications only. If you need to take all these decisions in a single code, then you need a requirement of else if. Like I am placing this outstanding in the if condition, and at last I am using fail condition in the else part. Remaining all these decisions are taken in the else if part. So I think you have get an idea like what is the use of else if statement. So let us make a program for better understanding. Before going to write the program on that example, I am going to show the syntax of this else if ladder. So first you need to give here if condition. So at brackets you need to give condition later. So in this part you need to give the correlated if condition. Then later in previous video I have shown that else part also. So in else part you need not to give any condition. Then execution is between these brackets. In between this if and else you need to give like this else if, and in bracket you need to give condition. Again you need to use, so in between you need to write code related this else if. Again you can use this else if multiple times like this. Else if you can give, again you need to use another condition, and you can write code like this. You can use this else if condition multiple times. So this is the syntax of the else if block. So now we are going to write program on the example. For that I am going to take variable like marks. I am advising a user to enter the marks. Again that marks I am going to scanning in this marks variable. So %d comma percent marks. I am taking the value of this marks from the user. Now I am writing condition in this, like if the marks is greater than 89, you can see here the marks is greater than 89. I am printing like So this is a single line of code. You can use this curly braces or you cannot use this curly braces. There will be no effect on this single line of code. For multiple lines, you can for multiple lines you must use this curly braces for similar to all these conditions. Again, in this else if part, I am using condition like second condition. I am writing in this excellent grade means E grade. So I need to write the condition like if the marks is less than 90 and you need to use logical operator and is marks is greater than 79. I'm printing the grade as I'm giving the marks is between less than 90 and greater than 79 means 80 to 89. I'm giving grade as excellent. I'm writing the marks between 70 to 79. Then you need to give condition like marks. The marks is less than 80 and marks is greater than 69. Here you need to print the statement like I'm printing very good marks, grade like I'm giving grade as A grade. Similarly, I'm copy pasting and replacing the things, and it else part I'm giving a condition like if all these conditions are false, then the candidate is going to fail. So now we are used the multiple if else statements to take multiple decisions. Now if I run the program, see there is no error. So I need to enter like marks 68. A student got good marks with a grade of B grade. So again if you run the program and I'm giving like 90, then you can see outstanding grade, outstanding and O grade. See the question is satisfied with this program. You can check out this. So we can give we can take multiple decisions with the help of this else if statement. I think you have got a clear idea on how this else if statement is going to work. In further videos we are going to see nested if and remaining things in C language. So don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to watch those videos.